It's a high-end floor without that high-end price. Serves a bunch of purposes, but at the end of the day, the main purpose is making it look really cool. Just when I think I've seen it all, that is an unusual look, and it's one of my new favorite ways to do stair risers. Hi, my name is Tim. Welcome to my channel built around flooring and carpentry. Today we're out at one of my latest installs where we're going to do a walkthrough.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Here is our nice naturally aged floors. It's a high-end floor without that high-end price. It's not cheap floor by any means, but it's definitely an amazing floor, and the sticker price won't necessarily break the bank. Then steam mop for our final cleaning. Definitely one of my favorite floors. Definitely nicest hickory floor I've probably ever put in. I used to do a ton of wild hickory and mohawk back in the day, but I love the wider plank hickory like this. Wider plank is what everybody wants, and the variation on these products are just amazing. I love the wider plank, and I love all the colors just within the planks. Now this is a light hand scraping on these boards. Very light hand scraping. Nothing heavy. It's got a light texture as well. This is the Naturally Aged Floors Medallion Collection. We're to the point now where we literally have our shoes off, as we've cleaned this floor enough times that we don't want to clean it anymore. Here is our laundry room with the parquet vinyl flooring. Check out the video on the parquet where we show you how to install parquet. I show one of my guys who's never done vinyl before how to install this floor. And now it's time to talk about the stairs. Now if you know my channel, you know we do no paint white risers. We do white risers. We do vinyl risers, we do wood risers, we do laminate risers, we do all types of risers, we even do tile risers, but this is the first time we've done imported Mexican clay tile risers. And guess what? I love it. I think it looks amazing. I think it fits this installation perfectly. It is definitely a bold statement. Might not be for everyone, but it's definitely for this house, and it fits in perfectly with the rest of the staircase. We've done iron balusters. We've done the big decorative music notes, as one of my employees calls them, on the balusters. I call them florals. We've done new handrails. We've done my favorite post, and it all just comes together when you see these risers finishing off the whole stair project. So we also did the bar wall in the kitchen here in the same exact hickory that we used on the staircase. Now, we stained the hickory on the bar wall and on the staircase in espresso. Originally, the idea was to go natural to match the flooring, but we wanted to dress it up and really make it pop and stand out and not just blend in with the rest of the project. So we went darker, and I think it speaks for itself. I can't imagine us doing it the other way, natural now. Seeing it finished this way with the espresso really accentuates every step, and it looks great with the risers. Now the stringers on the side of the staircase still need to be painted. Hopefully they get painted white to match the stringer on the inside of the stairs, and I think it'll bring the whole staircase together. Now as we move upstairs to the second floor, just like in the kitchen, we put flooring underneath the railing here like we did in the toe kicks in the kitchen, and it just really ties the floor into the staircase really nicely. In my opinion, it's little details like this that just make such a huge difference. We have our feature strips in all of our doorways. Yep, these are our feature strips here, where we ran a board the opposite way, and the floor flows nicely on the other side. It's just like a border piece to really dress up your install, and it's flush. So this is nothing sitting on top of anything. This is flush here, and it just dresses it up. And it also serves a purpose. If you ever had to do a repair in that bedroom, it's not connected to the rest of the house. And not that this floor is going to expand much, but it will allow this floor to expand a little bit better in there as well. So it serves a bunch of purposes, but at the end of the day, the main purpose is making it look really cool. And then here in our bathroom doorway, we made another trim piece out of the flooring, kind of a little triangle piece that we put to transition it to cover part of that sill so you don't stub your toe on it. And then going into our two front bedrooms here, we also have a couple more of our feature strips, or header boards as some people will call them. There's no wrong or right way to name these things. Everybody's got different names in different parts of the country for these, but they really dress it up in my opinion. I try to do it, and in this case here, I try to do it in all of our nicer installations, and in this case here we actually switch directions, which I love to do, and it's the direction that you walk into the room here, so that really sets it off. I love seeing that when it's a different direction on the other side of it. But that is our naturally aged floors medallion collection. Color is Sunset Hills. And then of course we have our 5¼ inch 5180 profile baseboards. Yep, we have these 5180 baseboards running throughout the whole house. And look at those miters and those corners. You really can't get any tighter than that. I love the 5180 profile base. As you've seen, we also have a baseboard video on this installation where we show you how to do baseboards. It's an in-depth video, not just how to do it, but a lot of great tips and tricks to doing them. And I give away a lot of secrets that I use to make doing baseboards a lot easier. So check it out. This is, in my opinion, this has all the bells and whistles from the amazing staircase with the Mexican clay tile, the wood wall, the toe kicks made out of the flooring, custom cord around that we wrapped all the island, any place else that it needed it, and it's just a complete job, start to finish. Wow, and that is how we do it. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to check out all of our other content, and be sure to like, share, subscribe if you already haven't, and engage in the videos. We need help from viewers like you. YouTube doesn't promote us as much as they should, so please engage, join the community. We all have something we can learn. Also, be sure to check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl. You put them head to head. Spread them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.